Hey guys, Gacha World Official here, and I just want to say that this is a cool little tutorial. This is the third video today that I'm posting, or fourth, I can't remember anymore. But I just wanted to show you how to make a cool little interactive tab. So this is what it looks like from last tutorial. If I go ahead and just duplicate this tab and then refresh, you'll notice some big improvements. Like, now they switch and they work. Like, how is that possible? It's with another plugin. Yay! And this is what the normal one looked like. I can get them perfectly aligned. This one is kind of tricky. You have to get the tabs one, which is also another free one. I'm not always going to do free ones because we're trying to create 100% website without any coding at all. This is nice. All you have to do to get it is just go to apps. I know I talk really fast when I want. If you really want me to slow down, you can go ahead and turn it down, speed. What you do is go down here and click free, obviously. Once you go down, you should eventually find tabs. You click on it, add it like the other tutorials. And then you'll close. You scroll down, you'll put it in, and then you'll get some customization options. Like, let me show you. Just double click here. You will find a number of tabs and all these colors. And you can add more tabs if you like. Like this, like I could say, oh, headline 2, what is that? I could just add like premium. There's some crap like that, but I'm not mean to make people pay for something that rightfully I didn't fully create on my own. It's mostly made 100% by Ludame, I don't know. You can click tutorial and stuff if you want more tutorials, but basically I switched it so gray is whenever you're on the item, and black is when you're off the item. So if I click Windows, it will turn gray, and it will do the download Windows. All I have to do is just drag it in there, and then click the other one, and drag that one in there, and that's basically it. And there you go. You basically just get a better looking version of your downloads. And yeah, that's all. So, bye. Also, have a Merry Christmas. Peace.